Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Royal Lens. Today I'm sharing my favorite cozy winter fireplace decor ideas to make your living space feel warm and inviting during the chilly season. Let's dive in. Escape to a winter wonderland with this captivating painting of a cozy fireplace, where flickering flames dance against a backdrop of soft, glowing embers. The rustic wooden mantel adds a touch of warmth and charm, while gentle snowfall outside completes this inviting scene. Imagine a living room bathed in the warm glow of a crackling fireplace, where plush white fur carpets cushion your every step and a cozy sofa beckons you to relax. The walls are adorned with a soothing blend of pastel hues and crisp white, creating a calming ambiance that envelops the room in tranquility. Step into a nostalgic Gen X gathering in a whimsical winter wonderland scene, where a crackling aquamarine fireplace casts its soft, ethereal glow, set against a depth-rich, digitally painted coastal backdrop, as if plucked from a dreamlike weirdcore fantasy.